Here's another thing you're going to want to get to protect your factory radio. These radios cost a lot of money to replace. If you don't want no smudges of your fingerprints, you don't want to get any cleaning spray on these things because it will etch the glass. You don't want to do that. Get yourself a car navigation screen glass protector pro premium tempered. All that in one thing. If you look down here, if you have any explosions in your car, this will protect your car from that. I can't even read what these are, but the best one is explosions. So if you have a lot of explosions in your car, you need this to protect your radio. Okay, I'm gonna start by just ripping this open. Came in a huge box. In the video description, I have a link where you can purchase your own. There's many out there. This one's pretty good because it can handle explosions. Screen protector accessories. Tells you instructions on how to do it. But if you ever done a phone, it's the same deal. Most important thing is before you do anything is we're going to take one out. This one comes with two. Why two? I don't understand, because if it can handle an explosion, you shouldn't need two, right? Maybe if you mount it wrong. As you can see, it's tapered right here. This will line up to up here. So we're going to make sure it goes on. Test fit it. Boom, just like so. Okay, so it's going to fit. Side, once you pull this off, you get it mounted on. So the first thing we're gonna do now is open your screen protector accessories. 2 pieces in here. It's gonna come with alcohol swabs. It's gonna come with a microfiber little like I said, 2 things. So 2 swabs, 2 stickers to get the dust off. First thing you're gonna do is get your alcohol swipe, whatever, wet wipe this says. You're gonna come up here and clean all your fingerprints. We're in heavy pollen season now, so just opening the window alone will cause a lot of pollen to get on this screen. So hopefully I could get it down before anything sticks to it. So I'm just gonna do this very good. Get that fingerprint off. Oils from your finger, pollen, dust, anything. Get all the edges. Next, you're gonna take your little tiny cleaning thing, and we're gonna dust this off. Try not to touch the screen again and get any oils on there. Nice and clean, as good as possible. Last step, you're gonna get your, it's just basically a piece of tape, doesn't leave any residue behind. And you're gonna peel this off, like so. And we're gonna touch that on the screen to pick up anything that didn't come off in the previous steps. As you can see, I'm not touching the screen with my hand. I'm pinching it like so. I'm just using my thumbs to touch the screen. I'm gonna look at it very good. Okay. Now we're gonna point it in the way it's gonna go on, which is like that, with this notch right here. Take off our backing. We'll try to do this as fast as possible. You get it on. Don't touch the back. Line your edge up. Like so. And let it go. As you can see, it's adhering to itself. You can work it from the middle over, this side over. Not a lot of force is needed. Basically sticks to itself. Okay. I'm gonna clean this one more time. You don't see my fingerprints. Nice and simple. Now your radio is bomb proof, explosion proof. You're good to go. Okay. Another cheap thing to do to your Jeep to prevent any issues down the road if you're going to keep it long term. Okay. That's what we have here. You do see tiny little bubbles, but if you ever put on a screen protector, you know they have bubbles, and eventually they do work their way out. Questions, comment, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Hope that video helped you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Spread the word. The more, the merrier. Take care, fellas. Peace.